Ishikawa Soldering Flux Grease, manufactured by Zimarco, Philippines. This is soldering paste. I'm using the soldering paste. The color is this. For soldering. And I also the old then it becomes dark when you use it. So it is nice to use this kind of soldering paste. Let us make some module so that we can see the performance of this soldering paste. I'm going to use this jumper for the module. For the positive, negative, and then for the other positive. We're going to use the adjustable power supply. We're going to supply the voltage for this LED, the positive here, then the negative, by volts. Five volts, 10 milliampere. So we can use 5 volts for this module. Then the other side, reset. We're going to use just 3 volts for the other side. So the first one is with resistor. This is not without, this is without resistor. 3 volts. It should be 20 milliampere only. 20 milliampere. Because that is the maximum current it can handle. 20 milliampere. At 2.77 volts. So we have this Ishikawa, and that's our new, or that's soldering paste we use.